Hey guys, we decided to come down to a nature park today. I think there's some hiking trails here, and they have this cool nature center. Apparently it's right next to some elementary schools, so those elementary school students have a pretty awesome place to come and play. This is called the Ray Harral Nature Park. What, bud? A fire extinguisher, you like that?
Yeah, but
Fire hydrant. Is that cool?
spider web.
And a spider web, yeah. Look, let's go over here, bud. Is it closed?
On the trail. I'll be back shortly.
Oh, okay. Oh, you want to go on the trail? All right, let's go. Dee-doo, 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 dee-doo.
Following the leader, following the leader, wherever she may.
What in the world is that? Some kind of big metal tank thing. What kind of flower did you find? Ooh, that's pretty. I like it, and I like how this one you can see the inside of it like that. Isn't that neat?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, those are pretty, Amelia.
Don't touch it, or a petal will come in.
Mm-hmm. Maybe whenever we get back to the nature center, you can ask the lady or the man what kind of flowers those are. I'm next, bud. You gonna give me a piggyback ride?
Yeah.
Yeah?
No.
You're gonna give me one? Off the beaten path. Let's see what's up here. Yeah. I think they said this was a 20-acre park, and I have no clue if they have specific trails. Obviously there's the main trail down there, the cement trail, but then there's a whole bunch of these little branch offs, so we need to go back to the center and see if they have like a map of all the hiking areas. But this is pretty cool. I didn't even realize this was here, and it was like 15 minutes away from Broken Arrow.
That's what I...
Does that feel good, bud? It's like it's raining. Does that feel better?
Yeah.
All right. Now we can go up the hill. Dun, da, da, da. Huh. Is that cool, bud?
Yeah.
Off the beaten path?
Yeah.
The road less traveled? Adventuring out?
Yeah.
Robert Frost?
Yeah.
Yeah. I know you know all about that, huh? Yeah. What do you think that is? Hold it.
Oh.
It kind of looks like a potato, huh?
Yeah.
But it's not as heavy as a potato.
No.
Kind of feels like paper, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you want to go show it to Mom? You think she might know what it is? Let me see. Got some holes in it.
You think that's a potato?
I don't think it's a potato. It looks like a potato. Look, Mom, what is this?
We just got one of these big giant green things. You see that?
Oh, I didn't. What is it?
That's a seed.
Huh. What about that? Super light.
Oh, this probably was a fruit.
A fruit?
Yeah.
Huh.
Got dried out.
Huh. And what's this? Is a big seed?
Probably an ant one.
See any?
It almost looks like those
That's
brown
cool.
ones that you step on and like explodes in fuzz.
There's a little bit of ants on it.
It's just a green.
It's just like a tree seed? What kind of seed?
Yeah.
Huh.
Mommy.
Never seen that before. Hold you! No, you hold me.
No, Mommy.
I want my piggyback ride now.
No, I
Here,
want
turn around. I want my piggyback ride. That's a cool bridge. It's a suspension bridge. What do you think, bud? Woohoo! Let's look down. Whoa, we gotta go over into the middle. Let's check it out. Really?
Oh yeah, because it moves.
Huh.
I can feel it. There's a little stream underneath.
Yeah, a little stream with some rocks. Is that cool? Do you want to see Amelia?
I'm sitting here.
Okay. Oh, you're looking under? Good idea. Look, let's get down. We can see down in there. Is that cool?
one back here.
See all the frogs?
Oh, and another one. 6. Just one more we can't find. Froggy number 7.
Maybe he's hiding in the bushes.
Really?
Think they're playing hide and seek.
His name is Tallulah. It's real.
What do you think about that?
That's cool.
Yeah? Say hi,
I
Tallulah.
had a pet tarantula when I lived here. You did?
You did?
I don't remember that.
When you weren't born yet.
Dad, you said when you were.
Oh, before, when I was in high school.
Ah. What was its name?
A bearded dragon. I don't even remember.
You don't remember?
What's in here?
A bearded dragon, but he must be hiding. I don't see him.
He's right up
Oh,
there.
He's huge. I'm seeing.
This is a replica of the trails, and I think that weird metal thing we saw was an old pump house, although I'm not positive.
And there's also birdies.
You like those little birdies?
And there's birdies.
They're like the ones that we feed at the zoo.
They're snuggling together.
And a big one.
Wow, some cats are really fun.
Right. Look, and then they can like crawl into the cave.
Yeah, they can walk through. Isn't that cool? They're just chilling, eating. They're hungry.
I want to walk in.
He's walking? Yeah, I think he's looking for more food.
I think I'll have white food.
I think so too.
I wish I could get hug.
You want to hug one?
Yeah.
I put my GoPro out on the deck where the squirrels were eating. Let's see if they get intrigued by it. The squirrel came back. What does he think of the camera? He's looking at it like, what is this thing? What's this human doing? Oh, another one came. There's 5 now. It's a fun turtle, huh? Yeah. Can I sit right here? We can say, ride turtle, yeehaw, yeehaw!
Spider.
What? Where?
Right there.
That?
Yeah. Ah.
There you go. You're in nature, bud. There's gonna be bugs. Whoop. You got down on his neck and now you're stuck? You need some help?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Set. Up, 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 up. Up, up, up. Oh, use your feet. Use your feet. Oh, you got it. Sit on his back. There you go. You did it. Yes. Can I get a high five? Yes.
Wait, now a big one.
Oh, a big one. Good job. It's your feather that you found? Uh-huh.
And then I found a flower.
Yeah.
A red flower.
Hey, did you like the Nature Center? What was your favorite part?
Finding all the nature things.
Yeah, that was really neat.
So I found these two.
Yeah. There's your purple flower.
And it's a little dead.
Yeah, it's dying because it's kind of hot.
And I have a seed.
Yeah. You got a bunch of different neat things.
Oh, which one's Walmart? That big new one that they built.
Found that seed.
Mm-hmm.
Like recently.
Yeah.
This one.
Anything else? Oh yeah, your acorn.
6.
Oh. You got so many things, it's so hard to hold it. There you go, that's smart.
7.
7. Acorn top. Did you have fun at the Nature Center, bud?
Yeah.
Yeah? What was your favorite thing?
The animal.
The animals? You like seeing all the animals in there?
Yeah, but then like the rats got they found the thing.
The mice, yeah, they kind of stunk, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like the
We're home. You like what?
I like the mice, the wildcat, and then like that bird with like the pointy nose.
Oh yeah, that was cool,
The
huh?
eagle.
The eagle. Mm-hmm.
And it's like so pretty. Its feathers around him.
It was a good trip.
Yeah.
What was your favorite part, Mom?
The part where we get to take a nap after. I like walking on the trails.
Yeah.
If we didn't have our children with us, who, you know, can't do, I would have liked to go up the hills. And,
Right, yeah.
do some more adventurous
Exploring.
things.
I like finding those things.
Yeah, on the trail. That was neat.
Oh, but the wildflowers were not there because they just come out in spring.
Oh, shucks. We'll have to come back another time in spring. How does that sound?
Yeah.
Yeah.